Hi guys, Novia117 here, and I'm just bringing you a quick video on Banjo-Kazooie nuts and bolts. How to make a bomb plane. You know, like you detach a bomb and it explodes when it's flying down. So I'm going to show you how to make that. It didn't take me long, so I'm going to be showing you how to make that vehicle. It's really easy, but you can't show your friends because you can show your friends, but it can't blow up the bomb because you can't have self-destructs in multiplayer, not even local. So I think Banjo-Kazooie thinks like, it don't matter. Like you could, if you had tow bars, you could attach things to each other. You make like a massive thing, but people do that with poles now. So they like turn it over, put it in. You go to Mumbo's Motors. Okay, so I'm just gonna get it all set out so you can watch. So you guys will be wanting to go to workshop, and I'll just get it set. Okay guys, so I'm back and I've just set it all out. So first, you'll want to be getting a medium engine. Right here. Place that in the middle. 2 heavy wedges, so put them there at the back, or super, but I'm using heavy because I don't have super. And put an ammo, just a small ammo here, at the back, there. So there's a medium engine, put the ammo there, then at the back of the ammo put a detacher. So you make in the middle now, put the self-destruct and a light cube there. So you should have like this. Should have that. Just place that. Oh yeah, with your wedges as well. So, and then next, behind this wedge, put a medium engine, and at the other side do it again, and you need 1, 2, 3 heavy wedges here. So you put them facing inwards so it doesn't clip onto the middle bit, so it's like slidable out. It should be like that. Now what you want to do is put a heavy wedge on top of a wedge, because one of them needs to be turned upside down like that, and then do it on the other side and turn it upside down, or turn another wedge upside down to that position and put it there. So if you do that, it looks really weird, you know, like stack or something. So you should have that. Okay, then next you want a small engine, a medium engine, and standard seat, a windscreen, so that's your middle bit. So you have that there. Get 2 medium fuels, so that. So, I'm going to bring it down. So put it on like that. Yep. So there. So it looks like a big boat. Next, get a high ref wheel. Bring it up to your windscreen. get 4 small fuels, take them up 1 so they're there on top of the medium fuels, then get 2 cruising lights, bring them all the way back to here, or you can just put them on top if you want, you know, just there. But I'm gonna put them there. This is the real one that I'm making. So you put them there. Next, we'll make the back. So you need 1 small jet, or if you have it, you can have a large jet, but you need like super fuels on it and stuff. So you get 1 small jet. Do not put it on the cube, just put it 1 in front of the cube so it's there. Not there, but there. Okay, now you want 1, 2. You want 6 light panels. Bring that forward to here. Yeah, here. Get 2 small engines. Bring them underneath it. Just not on the front one. Underneath that. Get these 2 wings to make it actually fly. Put them on them. And then bring these up. Yeah. So you need to have these here. Move these forward. You should have that up to now. But now you need the wings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oops. Okay. With this bit, you need 2 heavy wedges facing inwards. So it goes there. Yeah. Place it there, and on the other side do the same. So you should have that. You need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 light panels. Bring them over here, so it's like clicking on, and then do it the same side again. I know it would fly without propellers, just in case you don't have a jet. You can put propellers on. So you get 2 propellers, place them on there, and then do it the same the other side. And then there you have it. Not your own, but my flying bomb dropper. You can drive it. Flies well, and when you want to drop the bomb, just self-destruct on and then drop it. Boom! I blew up the plane. That worked all out. That happens. All you'll need to do is move these, like turn them around. You don't want it flying up, do you? So just place them there. Presto track. Fly. It's actually very good for like people who, you know, it's actually sometimes hard when flying it down. Not all the time when you're going up flying. If you don't have a jet, it makes a really funny noise. Okay, so bomb, drop. Come on, drop, 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 drop. Oops. Whoopsie. Okay, and if it blows up, it will look like that. Just blow up. I don't know how I'm going to put down. It did work before. Yeah, I'll get the real one out what I made. So, yeah, bomb dropper. So when you finished it, yeah, those were supposed to be on the outside. Silly me. Oh, no wonder it would drop that way. dump. So yeah, then after that you have your own little bomb dropper. So don't count it as your own, but you can count it that you if you like paint it and stuff, like awesome colours, and you can send it to me and stuff like that. So you can like put patterns on the wings. If you want me to, I'll do it now, because I will. It's a very big pattern. This next I'm gonna make like. Actually, no point. You can do it with the wing spread you already have. So you want to be going to paint shop, get pink, no, purple, because that's actually quite a nice colour. Do that. So you've like made a square. And if you don't like purple, it's up to you. I don't know what colour you like, so just you can choose your own colour. I'm going to have a green in the middle, and then on the outside I'm going to have yellow. And then on the back of it I'm going to have a bit of silver. I don't have much silver on the sides. Yeah, on the sides. But I'll paint through them. Yeah. So instead of this yellow, I'm going to put some silver on because it's really nice. So you should try the silver out because it is a nice colour. And the purple and the green. There we go. After all that work, we could have this view. You can see the red mark. There we go, this one drops it. No! Okay, I'll put a ejector seat on so you can see what actually happens. So when I just start destructing rocks, when the destructor starts, then you can put different things on if you want, anything. If you make a better version of it, you can count it your own, but just still count it as mine, because I did come up with this idea, the bomb dropping thing. And if you've done a really nice pattern on your wings and you don't want to ruin it, just go to your paint shop and don't press Y, because that happens. So I'm going to have to do all that again. Get purple. Yeah, so you have a nice colour of purple. Nice circle. This time I'm going to put black in the middle. That looks nice. I'm going to have green for the wings. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please comment, rate, subscribe to my channel, and enjoy the rest of the video. Blue's a nice colour. That's the bomb. Okay, if you saw that, it blew up and that's part of the bomb. That's the green thing. And it stopped flashing now. Oh yeah, I didn't kill it. I'm so sorry. Sorry guys, that was a bit of a mistake. Okay, now, as you can see, I'll jump on top of the flame. Okay, the bomb. Okay, there is what flew off, and that is the bomb. So here we go. There we go, I've detonated it. Okay, watch the bomb. Hold on. Explode. Yeah, exploded. Okay, so there's the back of the bomb. Here. Fix it on. It didn't have a nice landing. Okay, I'll try it again. This time I'm gonna actually colour it, so you can see I'm gonna colour it for you. Okay, I think you might be able to see that. And if you think it is dark, it's not, it's actually daytime. So there's a pink bomb. Pink. I don't like girl colours, but I just have them because they actually really look nice on it. So detonate, jump out. There's the bomb. Ta-da. If you saw that, it will work. Like this. That's the bomb. That blew up. That's the bomb itself. Okay, that's the bomb. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate and subscribe. See you later guys.